Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make real New York deli tuna salad. To begin, select premium tuna packed in oil. This is crucial for achieving that rich, authentic flavor. You will also need 1 stalk of crisp celery and about 1/4 of a small red onion, both finely diced. For the creamy base, choose a high-quality mayonnaise, not a salad dressing. Finally, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard will provide a subtle, tangy kick that elevates the entire dish. Let's get started. Now, let's combine our ingredients. First, drain your tuna thoroughly, but don't squeeze out every drop of oil. A little moisture adds to the richness. Gently flake the tuna with a fork into a medium-sized bowl, being careful not to mash it into a paste. Next, add your finely diced celery and red onion to the tuna. Then, incorporate about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mix everything until it is just combined, ensuring a delightful texture. Achieving the perfect flavor profile is key to an authentic deli experience. Season your tuna salad generously with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For a bright, tangy note, add a small dash, perhaps 1/2 teaspoon, of apple cider vinegar. If you enjoy that classic deli aroma, a pinch of dried dill, about 1/4 teaspoon, works wonders. Always taste your mixture and adjust the seasonings to your preference before moving on. Your delicious New York deli tuna salad is almost ready. For the best flavor, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. This salad is traditionally served piled high on 2 slices of fresh rye bread, accompanied by crisp lettuce and a ripe tomato slice. It also makes a fantastic topping for crackers or a light green salad. Store any remaining tuna salad in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.